Hi everyone, this is Bhupendra Singh and you're watching our YouTube channel SME Dehradun. So today I will show you how to make LED message moving display using LED matrix board and new Blynk IoT app. It is so easy, you can make it even in a few minutes by watching this video. So to design this board you need a serial LED matrix board, a NodeMCU ESP8266 or ESP32 board and few connecting wires. This is a LED matrix board as you can see. Link is available in the video description for LED matrix display. It has 4 pins. If you see from the top, the first pin is RX in. Then the second pin is not used. Third is 5 volt VCC and the last one is ground. This LED matrix display is big in size as compared to other LED matrix display and receives the data in UART serial mode. This is a Notify ESP8266 board. You can use any NodeMCU ESP8266 in the place of Notify for this project. And this is the circuit diagram to connect your LED matrix board to NodeMCU. Take 3 female to female connecting wires and connect them to the LED matrix boards RX in, VCC and ground pin. Now connect the V-in pin of the NodeMCU to the 5 volt of LED matrix, ground pin to ground and D7 pin of NodeMCU to RX in pin of the LED matrix board. Now time to configure the Blynk Cloud. So go to your web browser and open the blynk.cloud website. Link is also available in the video description. If you have an account with Blynk, then log into it. Otherwise, you can create your new account using create new account option here. Once you log into website, then you see your dashboard. In the template section, you will find the new template option by which you can create your project template. Click on it. Template option has been opened. So write your project name LED matrix control using Blynk IoT. Select the hardware as ESP8266. If you are using an ESP32 board, then select here as ESP32 board. Connection type must be Wi-Fi. Write the project description LED matrix control and click on done. Our project template has been created. Now time to create a data stream. Click on the data stream tab. Here click on the new data stream and then virtual pin. Write the name here as message, pin as V0, data type as string and click on create. Create one more virtual pin. Click on new data stream and then virtual pin. Write the name as scrolling speed, pin as V1, data type as string and click on create. So we have created the required virtual pins. Now it's time to configure the web dashboard. So click on the web dashboard, scroll below and you will find a terminal widget. Drag and drop the terminal widget in the dashboard. We need 2 terminal widgets, one for message and another for scrolling speed. Okay, so now hover the mouse cursor over the terminal widget. You will find the setting icon. Click on it. In the terminal setting, choose the data stream as message V0. Write the title as type your message here and click on save. Now open the setting of second terminal widget. Choose the data stream as scrolling speed V1. Write the title as write the scrolling speed and click on done. We have also configured the web dashboard. So click on the save button to save all the setting in the project template. Let's create the Blynk credentials by connecting the project template to the new device. So click on the search tab. Here you got the new device button. Click on it. Here we got 3 options from template, scan QR code and manual entry. as we will connect our board manually. So click on the From template. Choose the template as LED matrix control using Blynk IoT and click on the Create button. Once created, you will find your project's Blynk credentials. You can also see these credentials at the Device Info tab. Now, time for the programming code. So, go to the video description and click on the given link for the programming code. This link will open the programming code for this project. So, copy this code and paste it to your Arduino IDE. Let's first save this program. So go to the File tab and click on the Save option. Choose the place where you want to save the program. Write the name as LED message moving display and click on Save. So this is your program. First, you need to install the Blynk library in the Arduino IDE. So go to the video description and you will get the link that will guide you to how to install the Blynk library in Arduino IDE. Now back to the program. In the top of the program, you can see the Blynk credentials. You need to replace these credentials with your project credentials. So go to your Blynk account, click on the search tab and here you will go to your project. Click on your project. In the device info tab, you can see your project credentials. So copy these credentials and replace it here. Now we need to define the software serial pins to connect the LED matrix display. Because LED matrix display receives the data serially from any microcontroller, right? So I have defined the software serial headers and after define the my serial at D6 and D7 number pins of the NodeMCU ESP8266. Now I have defined the essential headers here. Below I have called the Blynk authentication token that we just defined at the top of this programming code. Here you need to write the Wi-Fi name and password in which you want to connect your NodeMCU ESP8266 port. I have defined the TXIN string to receive the message that we want to display in the LED matrix board and the text speed for the scrolling speed of the message in the LED matrix display. Right now I have defined the Blynk write V0 to receive the data from the V0 virtual pin. Inside I have stored the string in the text in by param.asInt function. If a text message is received, then we put the text as true. After it, we send the received message to the mySerial. We need to send this message in a predefined string format. So the first bit we send an apostrophe. After it a message, then the end bit is /r/n. The message received in the LED display will scroll at default speed. I have also printed the same message in the serial monitor. After it puts the text as false to receive the new message. Once we print the message in the LED matrix display, we flush the mySerial using this command. We have done the message printing function for the LED matrix. Now we need to create a function to change the scrolling speed of the message in the LED matrix. So I created the Blynk write V1 function. Inside it we receive the string type from the V1 virtual pin and store it in the text speed variable, right? I have only controlled the speed in 3 phases. If you receive the 0, then I write the command 0xF0 to stop scrolling the message in the LED matrix display. If I receive the speed as 50, then I write the 0xFF to the minimum speed of the message in the LED matrix. If I receive the speed 100 means maximum speed, then I write the 0xF1 to full speed of the scrolling in the LED matrix display. You can define any number of speeds starting from 0xFF as minimum and 0xF1 to maximum speed of the scrolling message. After setting the scrolling speed, I flush the mySerial for the next data. In the setup function, I serially start the serial monitor and my serial at 9600 baud rate so that both serial can work on the same baud rate. After it, I have called the Blynk.begin using the authentication token, Wi-Fi name and password. And in the loop function, we call the Blynk.run function to run the Blynk commands. So this is the complete programming code to operate the LED matrix display, right? Now time to upload the program to the NodeMCU ESP8266 board. Connect your NodeMCU board to the computer. Now go to the Tools tab. In the board section, select the board as NodeMCU 1.0 ESP12E module. If you don't find it, that means you haven't installed the NodeMCU board in your Arduino IDE. So go to the video description and you will find the link that will guide you how to install the NodeMCU board in Arduino IDE. Once you have selected the NodeMCU board, then select the COM port. So go to the Tools tab again and go to the port section. Select the port as I have got COM9. It may be different in your board. If you didn't find the COM port here, then you need to install the COM port driver for your NodeMCU ESP8266 or ESP32 board. Link is also available for this to guide you to installation for the COM port. Now change the Wi-Fi name and password in the program. Finally, click on the upload button to upload the program to your board. It will take 15 to 20 seconds to upload the program to your board. Program uploading done. Open the serial monitor to see the process of the connecting your board to the Wi-Fi and Blynk Cloud. If you didn't find anything in the serial monitor, then press the RST button in your NodeMCU board. If you are using ESP32 board, then press the EN button. You will find the process to connect your board. You can see my board has been connected to the Wi-Fi and Blynk Cloud also. Once connected, you will find the ready written in the serial monitor like this. And guys, if you didn't find all of these in your serial monitor, then cross check your Wi-Fi name and password as well as your Blynk project credentials, right? Definitely you will find the bug. Now time to configure the Blynk IoT app. So go to the Play Store or App Store and download the Blynk IoT app. Once installed, log into it. After login, you will find your project like this. So click on it. Inside it, click on the setting and then click on the plus icon. The widget box has been opened. Here we need to add two terminal widgets in the dashboard. So scroll below and click on the terminal widget. Now replace them as per your requirements. Now click on the first terminal widget. Inside the terminal setting, select the data stream as message P0. Right here as write your message and back to the dashboard. Now click on the second terminal widget. In the terminal setting, select the data stream as scrolling speed V1. Right here as scrolling speed and back to the dashboard. So this is how you can configure the Blynk IoT app for the LED matrix display. Now time for the live demo. Let's connect the board to the computer. Open the Blynk IoT app. As you can see, it is online. Click on the app. Click on the first terminal. I am writing the message as SME and click on send. As you can see, the message has been displayed in the LED matrix display and scrolling in the default speed. Now I am setting the scrolling speed as 100 means full speed. You can see guys, the message is scrolling at full speed. Now I am writing another message as hello. And setting the speed as 50. The scrolling speed of the message is now 50%. a special message for all of you. Happy New Year 2023 to all of you guys. Another message is hi. And let's stop the scrolling speed by typing here as 0. As you can see, message scrolling has been stopped. By the similar manner, you can write your message from the web dashboard of the Blynk Cloud website. So click on the search tab. Here, click on your project. And from this dashboard, you can write your message here and you can control your message scrolling from here. So guys, this is how you can display any message to the LED matrix display using the Blynk IoT app. Please like and subscribe to my channel and videos, and also click on the bell icon to receive all the notification of my videos.